Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNet. This is your favorite Sunnet. In this video, we are going to cover what is IIT Hyderabad SURE Internship, how to apply, what are the eligible criteria, and what is the deadline of this internship. So basically, this is the application link where we have to apply. Applications are invited for summer internship 2026. So number of intake is total to 250 interns, 100 exclusive for girls only. So amount of fellowship 15,000 per intern altogether for 2 months. 7,500 per month per intern and 10,000 1.5 months per intern. So we have 3 types of internship based on your availability. So okay, this is we have clarity on the how the stipend will be divided into 3 parts. So for 2 months category, for 1 month category, for 1.5 month category. So interns can choose option 1 month duration, 1.5 month duration, and also completes 2 months duration. No other amount or benefit shall be applicable. So this is a golden chance, my dear friends, and also my dear brothers and sisters. Please go through this link and apply. So duration 1 to 2 months between May and June. So accommodation, food accommodation provided by in IIT Hyderabad hostels. So non-IIT students can only apply for this internship. IIT students can't be apply for this internship. This is the only way to get into the IIT. Application should be among 20% of CGPA score. So it's based on CGPA. So this is a form where we have to take a printout on our college header, means college letter. There we can get sign from the HOD and also principal. This is very important for getting internship. So please note and also please make it as a important, prioritize this application and complete application with the end of the deadline. Okay, so after that, so we going to the selection procedure is based on the CGPA and applications followed by an interview online mode. Faculty wise at option concerned department. So application inviting 28, date of submission online form 10th, declaration of results of SRC website on 15th April, not March, 15th April. Apply to internship. This is a application link. Here you have to enter your name of application, means name as per your college, that memos or etc. Email ID. Next, enter correct email ID for smooth and communication. Okay, don't enter any other email IDs. Enter your mobile number. After that, select gender. Next, date of birth. I will step by step, don't worry. So current institute, CGPA scale, SGPA scale. SGPA means current CGPA, CGPA means overall CGPA. So select mentor. I am selecting Sri Durga Gogulpati. So as a mentor. After that we have to submit a 2-page resume, mark sheet of latest memo, and also sign from the HOD. Combine these into one PDF and submit over there. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment down. Application deadline is March 10th. Please hurry up. Thank you.